Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to reset your Corsair HS55 headset. The first thing I want you to do, okay, because this happens sometimes, here's the power button. Here as you can see, it's indicated by F. And I want you to basically press and hold it, right, until the light blinks, and that's how you know that it has reset. Okay, there's a light right here, this LED light. So just wait for it to blink and you're resetting it. You hold it for at least 10 seconds, okay? And then you'll see it turn back on. That means it has reset. Now, what you can also do is you can go ahead and repair it with your device. It usually fixes the issue, so just, unpair with your device, pair it up again, and usually it will go ahead and fix the issue. That's usually all you have to do. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to find your solution.